Did you know a McDonald's employee pays more in taxes than Amazon? Yet Amazon makes $1.2 billion per day. Can you believe that? Neither can I. And you know what that means? That means that the rich keep getting richer, the poor keep getting poorer, and the middle class people like you and I continue to pay more in taxes every single day. And the other part about it is it's not going to change. You know why it's not going to change? Because the system is set up for us to pay taxes and for the rich not to pay taxes. And let me tell you why. You are Googling for answers, trying to figure it out, but you're getting the same answers that you've always got. You're hiring tax software, tax professionals, you're purchasing tax software, you're asking your friends, and guess what? You're getting the same answers over and over again. You're even hiring tax professionals, licensed CPAs, and you know what's happening? You're still not getting the answers you want. And you know why? It's not your fault, because the system is set up for you to fail. The system is set up to trip you up so you can continuously overpay taxes. But you know what? That has to stop today. And you know why it's going to stop? Because you are going to join me on my free training where I am going to teach you all the secrets that the rich people know so that you can stop overpaying taxes, so that you can get the same benefits of what Amazon here, right? And so that you, the McDonald's employee, can stop overpaying taxes. I need you to click on the link below so that you can join me in my free training. I can't wait to see you on the other side.